Thanks to everyone. Once again, very good evening. Uh, I'm happy to welcome to all to the Azure SQL Champ world. Okay, and I know most of the people are waiting for today. Okay, uh, this is the new journey we are going to start in Azure SQL Champ. Okay, for year of 2025. Okay, so everyone will think that what we want to do for 2025. Now we are promising that okay, we are learning a new technology. We are learning one advanced level technology, which will help us a lot. That's nothing but none other than PostgreSQL. So everyone, most of the people are waiting. I need to special thanks. I can't address most of the people name, but Adam, who is waiting for almost since 1.5 year, I think so. He's waiting. Okay, many people are waiting for longer time. I need to thanks to everyone who waited for longer time, and today is your turn. Okay, where we started. Yeah, Adam is back. Okay, yeah, thanks again once again because you waited for longer time. I know. Okay, many people I can't address. Okay, but most of the people are aware of me. Uh, my name is Subbu. I am part of Azure SQL Champ. Okay, and with my brother Sai. So we've been part of journey for almost 10 years uh, journey of SQL Server. Now we are starting a new innovation, nothing but PostgreSQL DBA. That's the one thing, and we can't we are not announcing most of the things, but definitely 2025 will be the game changer for everyone from Azure SQL Jump. Okay, that's what I just wanted to intro and open to everyone. Okay, just a general talk. It's not related to the concept or I don't want put in a day one itself to the PostgreSQL DBA, but I am promising everyone behalf of Azure SQL Champ, okay, behalf of Sai and myself, we will make a new technology to the next level. Okay, that's what I can say. We are researching a lot to bring best documents, to bring best understandable concepts which are available in the PostgreSQL when you compare with the SQL Server. Mostly, I will try to compare so that you will be easily familiarized with the how PostgreSQL is working, how SQL is working, so that the people who are already Oracle, okay, they can easily because PostgreSQL is completely on the Linux platform. But being we are a SQL, since this is our long journey, we love Windows platform, but PostgreSQL is completely Linux platform. So in this whole training, what we are going to do, half of the time we'll spend on the Windows, half of the time we'll spend on the Linux. Okay, that's what. Next, let's first give to my my crow whether I can say anything. Okay, Sai. Let's introduce mostly today. Okay, the people who already know I can address, but the people who are new, let them give some opportunity. Yeah, first I'm giving to Sai.
Yeah, mm, thank you, Subbu. And thanks everyone for your support.
Let's unmute Sai.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. So, firstly, thanks, Subbu. Thanks everyone for your support from since long back. So, you are been with us, the SQL team. Okay. So, you are talking to me. You are also part of our Azure SQL Jump team. Okay. So most of the people know how we are approaching towards the interaction with you personally or in the whenever we are discussing the scenarios, sir. And especially, you know how we are approaching towards the subject, how we are passionate towards the content. Okay, when we are discussing. So the same way we wanted to bring up in the Postgres SQL DBA as well in the new technology. Okay, so we announcing this. We will start this from last 1.5 year, but we are taking time because how we are exploring the SQL Server database administration, the same way we are expecting in the PostgreSQL DB as well. That's the reason we are taking, we took this much of time. Okay. So anyhow, this is the time to learn the new technology. Okay. So wherever you have questions, anything, just please be make note of your questions. Okay. You can bring up your questions anytime in the sessions or after hours. okay, during the session hours as well. Okay, sometimes you may reach us, either me or to Subu. Okay, you may get the response immediately, you may not. Okay, don't hesitate. Okay, you can ping me multiple times. If you have some work with us, either it is a troubleshooting scenario, or you have some general queries, or it's related to career path, you wanted to switch some companies, or you are putting your profile on the portals, but I am not getting calls. Any concern, okay, you can bring to us. We will try to help you. We are here to help you as a Azure SQL Shop team. Okay, so all the best for everyone and for us as well. Okay, so now you can introduce yourself. Okay, one by one. Most of the people here we already know. Okay, let me give chance to the new guys. So Nagaraju, you wanted to speak something.
Yeah, Sai, thanks for the giving the opportunity. Okay. Yeah, hi Subbu, this is Nagaraju.
Hey, hi.
At the call of starting, like Sai said, right? I'm the diehard fan of you. You're like one of the god for me. Really, I'm saying like this. Why I don't know, why I know only the reason. Why? Because I have started my journey from the last 2.5 years, and currently I'm working with Capgemini. Okay, for the last year, at the subject wise, SQL Server and Azure wise, mostly I have zero. But I have gone through your videos in the YouTube. Okay, then after that, I got three opportunities recently. Okay, one is TCS and one is Hexaver. And recently, yesterday, I also discussed with Sai. I got a new offer from Infosys. Okay, and my joining date also March 11th. Okay, so that is the reason I'm saying I'm the diehard fan of you. So
Oh,
mostly I'm waiting from for your course from the last 6 months onwards, and continuously I'm asking the Sai about starting the course information. So yeah, this is for me, and I'm asked to the site for a few days back. At least I need to say thanks for the Subbu. Yeah, so thank you so much, Subbu. Have a wonderful teaching. I never saw you like, okay, your patience and your teaching way excellent. I have never seen like you. Yeah, this
oh.
is
Yeah,
from my end, Subbu. Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Thank you. Maybe this is the first time I'm just talking to you over the Zoom. Okay, but yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
yes,
Firstly,
yes, yes.
congrats.
Yeah,
Okay, thanks. So the love, whatever
yeah, yeah.
you are putting on me. Okay, but always,
Yes, yes.
I told you right. So always I am telling to every student, okay, who is part of Azure SQL Jam, we love you, okay, because you trusting us, okay. We need to hold that trust, okay, because uh, every 3 months we are coming up new batch. So hardly earlier when we started, okay, years ago, like 2 to 3 years ago, okay, we used to complete like 40 to 45 days the training. Now we enhance to 60 days. Again, we back to now 30 days. Even now 30 days is also not sufficient. So the current batch, the people I need to thanks in front of to everyone, okay, who are new also. I need to thanks to current batch because last 2 weeks they are completely restless. Okay, morning 2.5 hours, evening one and a half hour. So morning, evening also we are covering, but still uh, yet to complete many more. Okay, so whatever we are promising, we wanted to deliver. That's a main agenda from Azure SQL Jam. So definitely we are requesting only one thing: time. Okay, always myself or Sai will request either call, either meetings, time, because you need to get as much knowledge as from us. Okay, yeah, thank you and congratulations. Thanks.
Thank you, Subbu.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah. Our journey will start.
Yeah, Subbu, waiting for you only. Yeah,
Definitely, yeah,
thanks.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like
Yeah, thank you, Sai.
how the sequel we are driving. Definitely,
Yeah,
I will make you drive as a PostgreSQL also. Same. That's the reason we took longer and longer time. Okay. In
yeah,
terms
Subbu.
of easily see, I feel my training is our training is something different. Okay. We wanted to convey you in a simple lay terms so that you can understand the concept. If you understand the concept, you can survive in the market easily. Without
Yes,
understanding the
Subbu.
concept, it's very difficult. So that's the reason we are spending background lot of time. Maybe today is our time. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Uh, yep.
Yeah, thank you, Subbu. Thank you, Sai.
Yeah.
Yep. The William, do you want to speak? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Wilson,
Sorry,
right? Yeah, Wilson.
Wilson.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, it's Wilson.
I think you are in mute, Wilson. Okay. No, he's on mute.
Okay. Yeah. Gautam.
Hey, hi, Sai and Shubhu. Hello,
Hey, hi.
everyone.
Yeah. Hi,
And
hi.
my name is Gautam. Yeah, hi. I'm working as a Oracle DBA from past 7 years, and I saw your post in Facebook. Then I contact Sai regarding the training, and after speaking with Sai, then I decided to join this Postgres training. So actually, my present client wants to move from Oracle to Postgres. So that is the reason I want to learn Postgres and get good experience in Postgres. So actually, in my present client, we are making some moves from past 2 months. Like we started doing preparation to move from Oracle to Postgres. So that is the reason I want to learn more about the Postgres, and that is the reason I want to learn get good experience in Postgres.
Sure, definitely. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
yeah. Thank you.
And other people, all of your people are old one only. Mohan. Mohan is from past batch. Avinash.
Yeah, hi Subbu. Yeah, hi Sai. Yeah, hello team. Yeah, I am from batch 37 from Azure SQL Champs. Okay, so I started my IT career from robotics automation. So then after I was realized and I switched into SQL DBA. So I have learned SQL DBA from Subbu. Okay, so I from last 2.5 years I am working as a SQL database administrator. Okay, so currently also I'm working to enhance and improve my skills. Okay, so I just wanted to add on Postgres as well. Okay, so I approached Sai and Subbu regarding of it. So yeah, while conducting batch 37 sessions also, so there is a discussion is going on which is related to Azure Data Factory, Postgres stuff and all. Okay, so finally the day have been come. Okay, so I'm really excited for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks,
yeah.
thank
Mohan.
you,
Thank you,
Mohan.
thank you. Yeah, yeah.
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 And Subbu,
Avinash.
can I talk also?
Yeah.
Yes, Adam. Yes, please.
Oh, hi guys. Yeah, my name is Adam. No, man, I've enjoyed Subbu. Actually, it's a testimony that I'm sharing. I didn't share with him. So when I started with Subbu, I was like most of a junior person. After I attended batch 38, I got a senior role. I moved companies and I've been getting so many offers. I even got an offer at Amazon. I just didn't take it because I felt like it was too much for me because they said you work a lot at Amazon, so I refused that offer. Currently, I got another offer as a senior DBA. Good money. I think when I started with Spoo, I was earning some little money, and then after I finished, actually I got 100 plus 50%, so it's a 150% hike.
Oh,
I've been waiting for Postgres since 1 year. He knows. I've been asking him on the side. But yeah, no, man, I can't wait for this. So I need to do Postgres because there's a serious market for it here in South Africa. And I'm hoping that I will learn more and be able to do SQL and Postgres together. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Thanks, Adam, for you. I know you are pinging me in WhatsApp for more oftenly. Okay, but today your time. Okay, we started. Okay, finally. Thanks for your waiting. Okay, almost it's 1.5 hour, 1.5 year journey with you and me. Okay, you trust us a lot. Definitely, you will trust the PostgreSQL as well. And anyone, so who wants to, if you wanted to trying any on-site opportunities, and if you wanted to travel to South Africa, definitely Adam will help you on that part as well. Yeah, anyone?
Yes, I'm interested. If
Yeah,
Adamir helps, then I will.
definitely. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, let me know if you guys wanna come. I'll help you.
Okay.
Yep. Next. Anyone want to
Oh,
speak?
just open questions, okay?
Open to everyone.
Open to everyone. It's not like we wanted to call your name because we know since long back some
Mm.
people travel almost years, okay? So,
Hey, we need to give chance to Girish. Yes.
oh, hi, Girish. Yeah,
Hey, hi. Yeah, so first of all, good evening. Yeah, so I mean, about me is like, I having the experience of, Oracle and SQL as well. But see, my position is like, I was managing the, entire team, entire, project, but somewhere, I was lagging on the technical side. Uh, but when I saw your, few of the YouTube on the YouTubes, I realized, and I had a discussion with you, Sai, as well, right? And then I realized that probably
Yes.
this is the time for me, to go on the, in depth on the technical side, because honestly, I don't want to go on the management side, because maybe I may not be a good manager, to be very honest. But yeah, I don't want to, lose my technical capability. So with that aspect, I started this journey, and I believe I in the last batch I joined somewhere in the middle. But yeah, that is actually helping a lot, because I was able to relate to what actually I was doing during the on-call issues, during issues with my vendor, with my application team, with my database team itself. Yeah, and I'm to be very honest, I'm really very happy. I find myself like I'm land in the right people, and
nice.
just wanted to continue with the Postgres, because I just wanted to have few more flavors of database. So Oracle, SQL, Postgres, I believe that will be good solid profile for the future.
Yep, sure, definitely, Girish.
Thanks, Girish.
Or anyone else want to speak?
Anyone?
Um, Hi, Subu. I'm sorry. This is John
Yeah,
Arthur.
John. Yeah, John.
I'm from the
Hey,
I'm from the US, and I'm pretty much sometimes because of time constraints, I usually watch the video, so I'm pretty much behind when I watch them. But like most of the other members on the team really did express, I found Subu on YouTube. I reached out to him personally, and I wish I had met him earlier or I had met this team earlier. So I'm really gaining some insight into the database environment. My role currently is as a data analyst, but when it comes to the database environment, I'm pretty much light on how to support on the database side. So ever since I joined this team, I've been very helpful with regards to the team that I work with. I kind of play a liaison between our IT department and engineering and the business aspect of what we do. So I want to say I'm very grateful to you all, and it's been very, very helpful. And hopefully, I could just swap roles into more of the database role.
yeah. Thanks, John. Yeah.
Hi, Subbu, and hi, Sai and team. This
Hello.
is good opportunity. Actually, one thing I want to tell, I'm from the 40th batch, but still I'm the one of the any group I can connect. I mean, any batch that is a good flexibility what any member has in these sessions. Actually, that is the thing. Um, Apart from any other trainings, we don't they don't support once the training has completed. But we are the part of in the 48 and 41 any batch. That is a much flexibility we have in these training sessions. Thanks for Zuba and Sai for this.
Yeah, thanks, Stephanie.
Thanks.
As we told, right? Okay. If you are being part of Azure SQL Champ, your batch is never ending. Okay. So we are just saying that your batch got complete, but not your training. If you are learning something, if Azure SQL Champ is learning something, that means you also need to gain the same knowledge. Maybe 2025, 2026, 2027. So how many years this Azure SQL Jump, myself and Sai, whatever we are learning, we wanted to deliver to everyone. So wherever you are working, which country you are working, okay, throughout the global, okay. So we will connect with Azure SQL Jump. So that's the reason we created the community, and we don't want miss anyone. So I always encourage everyone try to join the meeting if you're available on that time. Okay, you can definitely, we are promising you, you can definitely learn something which we haven't discussed so far. Okay, every day we are learning something, so that's something we wanted to share to every batch. Okay, yeah,
Yes,
thanks.
and in every batch, I'm learning some new one. So that's why whenever I feel to connect the class, I will just jump into the class.
Yeah, that's a since long time we are saying that. Okay, your batches are never ending. Okay, officially we are saying that we will complete in 3 months. Okay, but it's not like that. So even 2025 also we told many things. Okay, we promised many things. So definitely SQL database fabric we are getting. Okay, that's a one game changer for all the Azure SQL Champ people, and PostgreSQL along with ADF. Definitely we will try to bring Max, because Sai is taking some responsibility from tomorrow. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
yeah. Thanks.
Yep. Thanks, Ashwini. Vinil,
Lucky, Malati.
Lucky, Vinil.
Yeah, okay, okay. So, okay. So, I'm from 42 batch. Uh, before joining the Azure SQL Champ, I was working as a L1 DBA, and my project got changed, and I became a track lead, a team leader. I felt the big responsibility, and my confidence also got very low. Means because when you become a team leader, you only no no need to not only need to know the stuff, but also you will be the answerable. Any team member can ask anything, and at a time you should be answerable for something. So then I was just searching in YouTube, and then I found your channel, and I've gone through 2 3 videos. That was enough for me to decide that I will join you. And generally, what happened in other training, I'm not criticizing, but generally it is happening in the market that they make the demo videos very beautifully, and then people join that. After that, things get normal, or sometimes not that level that they were fascinating by going through the demo videos. So, but here it was like, as the demo video was there, the whole training I found it like you made it very simple. So that is a good compliment from not only from me, other I'm hearing all of you that you also felt the same, that you made the stuff very simple that we can not only digest, we can keep in memory for longer time whenever we get stuck, and immediately we remember this stuff, and we are able to solve our issue. So that helped me very well, and my confidence also boost up after when that batch got over. I knew almost all the stuff I have gone through, so that gave me the very very good increment in my confidence. So that thank you for you and Sai. You were always helpful. Now also, whenever I have messaged you, you responded very well. So that's again thank you for you. So
Thank
this is now the journey is still going on, and not only Postgre, I'm waiting for other things also, MongoDB and others. I've got the chances, but so these are the things. So thank you.
Definitely. Thank you, Lucky.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a positive energy. I just wanted to be within it, whether
Yeah,
it's a session or not. Just whenever there is any batch, I'll be there whenever I'll get time.
for sure, definitely. Thank you, Lucky.
Yeah, thank you.
Um, sorry, I step away. I quickly had a call with someone manager. So
Yes, Wilson.
Hey, hi,
yeah,
Wilson. Yeah.
yeah. Sorry, I step away. So I may be asking the same question again. So yeah, you shared like a spreadsheet or Excel from the beginning of this meeting, this call. So does that mean you've already do training on those one? I saw like a DAG, distributor AG or something, and some other replication.
Yes.
You've already done that for some other group, or I believe this is supposed to be a new batch. Is that right?
No, we are currently, if we go for SQL, we are currently in the 43rd batch. Okay, almost.
Okay.
So it's completing. So we already done 92 sessions. Still 20 to 25 sessions are still pending. So we'll wrap up that one. And morning, we are going to start the sequel. So who is going to? So Sai is going to lead everything for L1 task. Okay, so that there and again we'll back. Okay, so this is sequel. Okay, along with we wanted to start a journey PostgreSQL. Okay, so today is our turn. So where we are going to start. Being this is the first day, I just wanted to get all the people with connected because this is the new technology. Many people are waiting for years, 2 years, 1.5 year. I need to thanks to them heartfully from my heart and Sai. We can't say any words for that. What love they are giving to us, what support they are giving us because without their support I can't do anything. Okay, so we are promising every batch for 3 months, but it's very difficult for us to complete within 3 months. Uh, Still, they are giving more time. I need to thanks to 42nd batch. So they given me even Saturday, Sunday also. The whole week we are spending, okay, with the sequel only. And 43rd batch, I need to thanks because last 2 weeks, morning we are spending 2.5 hours, evening we are spending one and a half hour. Still, we are unable to wrap up. Still, 20 plus sessions are pending. So the main part what we want to do is whatever the first day we are delivering, okay, we will promise you we are delivering this. At the ending also, I need to do same thing. So that is the one thing. So like same, we are starting a new journey PostgreSQL. Why this long it took means first I need to become strong in SQL. We already become a massive bridge on SQL. Now I want to start. Now we wanted to start Postgres DBA as well. Now we are going to start. This is the one good step we are doing in the 2025 first phase. Second phase, of course, will do many more things, like ADF, all the stuff also we are trying to bring. But how you are trusting me on the sequel, definitely I will stand for PostgreSQL as well.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna build a batch one for Postgres. This is gonna be new, the first batch. Is that right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, and one thing,
Go
one
ahead.
one just add on. Sorry. Okay. Whoever been part of first batch definitely will be part of second batch as well. I think Sai is already addressed. Okay. Being we are starting the journey, we want to bring lot of content, lot of materials, okay, lot of stuff to you. It's very difficult to digest, okay. So we will make massive stuff here itself, but still if something is okay, still then we will continue in the second batch as well. So you will be part of that one. So where we want to deliver whole PostgreSQL as well, along with Azure. Okay, so we will also discuss PostgreSQL with Azure, so that you already good at SQL on top of cloud. You will be definitely good on PostgreSQL on top of cloud, and you will also good at on top of Linux platform who been working for SQL for longer time. The people who are already working with Oracle, they know Linux, okay, better. But the people who are completely SQL background, only on Windows flavors, now this is we are learning one more platform, Linux platform, okay, operating system Linux. On top of that, we are going to build the PostgreSQL. On top of that, we are also going to build the SQL as well. So both we will learn.
Oh, okay. On Linux, on Windows, is that right? For Postgres,
Yes, yeah,
both. Okay.
yeah.
So you mentioned it's gonna be on Azure. Are you gonna? Well, it should be the same. Same on AWS as well. Is that right?
Yes, we'll try to bring that one as well. At least some flavors. Okay, not only Azure. We'll also try to bring in AWS as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. Thank you for the information. So, well, as you mentioned earlier, or something, I don't know, maybe on your video, most of the company right now they are moving to Postgres because of licensing from Microsoft. It's too costly. So, um, and most of the company right now, because they are just moving, so they will be doing a lot of migration. They will have someone DBA that have a migration experience. So, are you gonna do them like a hands-on on migration as well, from maybe Oracle or maybe SQL to Azure or to AWS? The migration process as well, how to migrate DMS stars and so on. That's what I mean.
Yeah. Sure. We are talking on the all the stuff.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I mean, going forward, we will include the migrations as well, Wilson.
Okay, so migration is going to be part of it. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
it's good to have
definitely.
that.
Without
Yeah.
migration, we can't say that. Okay, like in SQL, without migration, no. Okay, like PostgreSQL without migration, no. And we'll try to make a bridge between SQL to PostgreSQL as well.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's all my question. Yes. Oh, yeah. So I don't know. The material after the training, are we going to be getting a copy of the recorded video, or we have a portal where we can be accessing the recorded video, or how does it
Okay.
work?
Yeah. So once every day, every session is recorded. Okay. We are going to create a new playlist for batch one PostgreSQL DBA. Okay. So we will upload here. Okay. First 1 week we'll make as a public. Okay. So everyone need to aware that we are also being part of the new technology. Okay. Now next we will take all your email address. Then we'll try to grant the access. From here you will get it, and we will share the material via email to everyone.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah,
That's all.
and we already know we are maintaining everything in GitHub. Okay, so I will also start creating one more repo for PostgreSQL as well, where we will get all the scripts here itself. As of now, we kept complete SQL here. Okay, now we will start the PostgreSQL as well, where if you wanted to get the backups, restore, history, okay, being we are going for new technology, right? Mostly we will update here everything. You will get a new repository.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Wilson. And any other want to speak? Vinit?
Hello.
Yes, yes, Pabasa.
My name is
Yeah, hi,
Prabhas.
Prabhat. Yeah, hi.
Yes, yes. Thank
Hi.
you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, Onabilda told me regarding this course. Okay. And then I started watching YouTube videos. After that, I have spoken to Sai sir, and I am very pleased and I am very grateful to him to giving me so much time from his precious times. And Thank you so much, sir. And I want to switch my career to .NET to SQL DBA. That's why I want to learn PostgreSQL. Actually, I believe it will be good for my future. Thank you so much for everything.
Definitely, it will be helpful, Professor. Okay, so just as we discussed, just be stick with the subject. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so the subject will bring us everything.
Yes, yes.
So most of the people here, they already know. So we are content oriented. So the same way you should also be content oriented. Then we can rock.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rupesh. Yeah.
Yes, Vinil.
Hey, hi, Subbu.
Hey, hi,
Hey,
Vinil.
hi,
Hi.
Vinil.
Uh, I am from 42 batch and I got placed in recently 4 months back in Wipro.
Oh,
And
congratulations.
uh,
Thank you.
yes, yes. And also part of the just inform to the site, please add me in PostgreSQL also. You want to learn another technology and enhance my career in different technologies also. Just inform to the Sai, he add me in PostgreSQL. Thank you, Sai.
Thanks, Vinil.
Thanks, Vinil.
Yeah, thanks. A good journey with you, almost 6 to 8 months, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, he used to contact me regularly when he's attending the interview, some
Oh,
regarding the suggestions and all. I told so even I disconnected your calls also sometimes. So
oh,
he's
okay.
calling.
Okay, okay.
Let me address his concern. Then we can talk later.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Vinil.
Hey, hi,
Thank
Amit.
you, Sai.
Hi, Subbu.
Hey, hi, hi. After a long time. Okay. Think most of the most of the people introduced. Anyone still?
Malati?
Um,
Yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah. Please, someone speak.
yes,
Hi.
it's Wilson again. Sorry. Um,
Yeah, right, sir. Good evening.
One second, Malati. Wilson. Yeah. Sorry. You can. Yeah.
sorry, I think I meant, yeah, okay, thank you. I'll go ahead. Okay. Yeah, thanks. You mentioned that this is batch one, so if we're interested, we can join batch two again for just. So what about in future? Maybe I know as you started something, the way you are graduating, you'll be mastering it. As you mentioned earlier, you've mastered SQL right now in Mexico, Azure. So if I can join batch two, um, is it possible maybe to join maybe batch 10 or 20 later in future, just to have my email to have access to the batch 20 recorded video on YouTube? Is it possible in future, to see any latest or additional, maybe something that updated things in Postgres that you didn't teach us in batch one, that maybe already additional material that you added to the new batch, maybe like batch 30 or something? If is it possible for us to request access to have access to maybe batch 30? You understand what I mean? I don't know. I don't explain very well. So
Yeah.
you understand what I mean?
Yes. See,
Yes.
we creating a community for SQL. Okay. We implemented same thing. Okay. So, for example, now current batch is 43rd batch. Okay. It will complete almost in next 20 to 25 sessions. Okay. But still, we wanted to deliver. Okay, the content what we haven't discussed, like in terms of partitions, in terms of many things. So what we are doing, so we will update in that community whenever we are delivering those content, okay, which we haven't discussed so far. Being many people like still like batch 37 still we are posting to batch 35, batch 36. 37
Mhm.
people, almost 10 batch people are we are inviting. If you are learning something new, we are inviting everyone. If you are having some time on that day, okay, definitely we always welcome you. Like same, we are also going to implement for PostgreSQL as well. Once your batch one completed, you will be go to the part of community. Okay, so we will post for new batch. So every batch, whatever we are delivering, right? If we are delivering something we haven't discussed in the batch one, definitely
Mhm.
we'll update in the community. I'm happy to welcome you. You will be part of the training. Okay, so that we are always welcome the people who wants to learn. I hope you got my point.
Yeah, thank you for that. You say you discuss. I mean, having access to that new features that just
Definitely,
added,
no,
that just
always we
discussed.
will welcome. That's a promise we are giving. Day one itself, we are giving same thing. Not only for PostgreSQL, SQL, for same promise we are giving for PostgreSQL as well. Other whatever the technology we are going to bring in the next year, for that also we are doing same thing. So
Okay.
whatever we are learning, definitely will be part of that learning. Maybe it
Okay.
may delay for 1 month or 2 months, but definitely will be part of in that training without miss.
Thank you. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
my question. Thank you. Yeah.
Sai, you are adding something?
Yeah, that's the thing. So instead of adding every time in the new batch, so whenever we are learning something new things, so definitely we will post over the community. Anytime you can join over the sessions. Okay. So our technologies are going to keep going, keep upgrading in the year by year. So if we see the SQL and Postgres, both are going to be released in the 2025 with the new features. Okay. So we may not discuss in the current batch, but whenever we see something new, definitely we will include you in the community. We will
Yeah.
post
Like
there.
SQL also came up with the new version
Yes.
2025.
Yep.
So we haven't discussed this one. So we will come up with the next year 2025. That time all the batches will be part of the training. Like same for PostgreSQL also. For 17 is the latest. Now, when you go for PostgreSQL 17, so mostly they implemented most of the AA features for PostgreSQL also. That is also we are going to come up with the upcoming batches. So whatever we are delivering, if you not been part of that previous sessions, definitely will be part of that community. So please be aware. Only one thing we are requesting: if you're changing your mobile number, please update to Sai once or me once, so that we can allow you be part of that community. And we are also planning to create, not immediately, but definitely uh, we are planning to make like a discussion group chat for PostgreSQL as well. I need to thanks to each and every person, okay, in this Azure SQL Jam discussion who is so active. Most of the questions are answering, okay. Everyone as part of this discussion, like same, okay, we are going to plan for PostgreSQL discussion group chat as well, and you will be part of that group chat. In case if you get a chance to work with the PostgreSQL and you got stuck, definitely you can post happily. We are here to help you on that PostgreSQL discussion as well, along with the SQL Server. It will be like a 24 by 7, so the discussion will be open. So you got stuck somewhere, and we are always uh, telling to everyone, okay? It's open to everyone. So in case you got stuck in the middle and no one is there to help you, you never get thanks. Okay, even your batch is completed 2 years ago, 3 years ago, no worries. You got stuck, and it is leading a biggest escalation on your name. And definitely don't forget Azure SQL Champ, Subbu or Sai. You can call us anytime in case that kind of situation. You don't never get thanks. We are here to help you. Don't think that our batch got completed. Okay, we never get a help from Azure SQL Champ. No. In case you got stuck at any time and it is leading a biggest escalation, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I think you can find our contact details in our YouTube channel. Okay, if you go here, this is so any number you can reach out anytime. We are happy to help you. Okay, yeah. Anything still? Anyone? So I just wanted to have a quick kind of stuff. Long back, many people are waiting. That's the reason. Okay. Uh, and Sai told, okay, let's have a kind of discussion rather than simply going and opening the PPTs. Okay, saying that PostgreSQL is a open source system. We can do that one, this one. Okay, that's the reason. This just a discussion.
Yeah, definitely we need to show our gratitude towards their support.
Yeah, because
Okay.
if everyone is supporting lot to us. Okay, that's a one thing. It's a great journey with everyone.
And Malati wanted to speak. You want to share something?
Thanks,
Yeah.
Annabelle.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Hey, hi,
Yeah, this
Malati.
is Malati. I'm working with currently with Capgemini as a senior DBA. Here I have learned so many things from the training, and I felt all the time Subbu sir is the SQL guru for me, especially.
Thank you, ma'am.
Whenever I felt very bad in that situation of the criticality escalations, I felt you are there.
Always, ma'am.
Thank you so
Okay,
much, sir,
to
for your
everyone.
support.
Yeah. Always, you should not make that much tension, ma'am. Okay, we are here to help you. Don't think your batch is complete. I told you, right? Your batch is never complete. Officially, we are saying only 3 months. Unofficially, it's never complete. Okay, it never complete your batch. So none of the batch is completed. We are still contacting all the batches. Okay, we are happy to share our knowledge.
Hearty congratulations, sir. You come up with PostgreSQL. We felt very happy. We
Thank
were
you, ma'am.
waiting for a long time.
Thank you, thank you.
And
Thanks,
also, you're
definitely.
exposing your skill set national or international wide. Thank you so much, sir.
Like a Pushpa.
Yeah, correct.
More than Pushpa, sir.
Or is seen that Pushpa too, they felt they are from Rayalaseema.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm.
Wilson, you wanted to speak something?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry for the questions. The Postgres, is it going to be purely DBA aspect of it? Are you going to discuss about the development, like the code?
No,
Is the standards the same
as
with
of
the
no, no.
SQL?
Yeah, as
Okay.
of no development, completely core DBA I'm touching PostgreSQL. Okay. After this, I will definitely go for SQL development because we are trying to bring the fabric here. Okay. Most of the people are eagerly waiting. That is a very good in the market currently. So that time, definitely I will come up with the SQL development, which will be applicable for PostgreSQL and SQL as well. And definitely that time it will boost your technical stuff with the
Okay.
fabric.
Okay. Yeah, because the way we write function in SQL is different from Postgres. Almost the same thing, but yeah, that's what so you're not gonna touch about the writing code of it, just only the DBA straight.
Not
Okay.
that much code I will written, but basic because as a
Basically.
DBA we wanted to know some development stuff because when you specially go for tuning, okay, uh,
Yeah.
we need to get some knowledge. Okay, how the functions are working, how the processes are working, how the tables we will create, how the database will create. So we need to know little coding part. So that much I will compare with PostgreSQL along with the SQL. So PostgreSQL we will discuss that much stuff because tuning is very important. As a DPA,
Mm.
not only just installing the product, okay, supporting the product, we need to make sure that customers so happy because if that application is running little faster, they will be always will be happy and they feel that okay, we are giving a great support for that product. So performance tuning plays a major role. How we are dealing with the performance tuning, like SQL, same here we will get the performance for PostgreSQL as well, like index tuning, stats tuning, how memory is working when you go to the SQL, how the memory when you go to the PostgreSQL, how the memory like what is the shade buffers, what the work mem, what is the auto vacuum. We'll discuss a lot that time. Definitely, I will try to get some store procedures, get some queries. Let's touch the PostgreSQL, see how it is working, how we need to think. That much definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Thank you. And we have our people, Vijay Shankar, Sampath. So you want to share something?
Hi, yeah, good evening. Or yeah, it
Hey, hi,
looks
Vijay.
as I'm already familiar with the last in the present batch. So only the thing I don't want to be too much hectic in the this thing, because again it will be another 45 days. So I don't know how long. Because again one more SQL performance tuning not finished still. So let me see. Yeah, I'm excited to join for this batch. Yeah, for Postgres. Yeah, since long time I wish to learn. So it is a good opportunity I got. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks, Sue. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
Vijay. And we have even project leads as well, part of our team. So they are already so much busy with their daily routine tasks, even though they are trying to attend our sessions to grab something from us. Okay. And one of that, Sampath, is one of the person, two busiest person.
Yeah, hi Sai. Hi
Hey,
Subbu.
hi,
Hi,
hi, Sampath. Yeah,
Yeah,
hi.
hi Subbu. This is Sampath. I have over 10 plus years of experience as Oracle DBA and overall 15 years of experience, and worked with various clients in banking sector like JP Morgan, Citibank, Deutsche Bank, Deloitte. So
Good
I
to see.
joined in 41 batch for Azure SQL training, and I have completed Azure admin certification as well after that.
Oh,
So
great.
special thanks to Subbu and Sai for the excellent training and in-depth knowledge sharing during the sessions. I'm glad to have that to part of this training, and I'm looking forward like to enhance my skills in PostgreSQL as well.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thanks, Subbu. Thank you,
yeah,
Sai.
yeah. Thanks.
thank you, Sam.
Subbu, this is bit digress to the topic.
Yeah.
So whether I'm not sure whether should I ask. Actually, in the end of 42 batch, you were preparing one troubleshooting document. So that if it is completed, if you can share
Yes,
with us. I
yes.
asked to Munna also, Naveen also, but they also not having,
Oh,
because
maybe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I missed.
uh,
Okay, definitely. Yeah, we'll share. Yeah,
please, because that is needed.
yeah,
So
definitely. Yeah,
okay, thank you.
yeah.
And Ganesh, so finally you joined.
Yes, I
Hey,
actually had a call with that time actually. That's why
Yeah,
late. I have joined a little bit late.
yeah,
hi, Ganesh.
Hi Subbu sir, I'm a very
Yeah,
big
hi.
fan of you sir actually.
Oh, thank you.
Once I was searching on the YouTube, once I saw your videos, I'm really big fan of your videos sir. Actually, how you are teaching, how you are explanation, and something I really loved that it is any important, you can stress that one. This is very important. You will get the in interview. Definitely work on this. I really love you, sir. Actually, I want to add something on. I want to learn something. I had discussed with my friend. Yeah, I want to learn something. He said, Subbu sir will start the posting. I don't have the second idea and second thought. The Subbu sir will start that Postgres. My word is Postgres. Thank you very much, sir. I love you.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks, thanks.
Yeah, yeah.
thank you, Ganesh.
Thank you, Sai.
You asked me just Hello,
Yeah,
just give some time to talk to Subbu.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
I asked it to Sai. Actually, I'm regularly waiting to talk with Subbu sir.
definitely from Monday. I'm with
Yes,
you
sir.
only.
I'm really
Okay.
very
Yeah.
happy to. I'm very happy inside. Actually, I'm talking with you. I'm automatically smiles comes for that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Yeah.
taking.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Subbu, we are getting like this is one gift. Okay, like if we are talking with you, we are thinking like this is one big gift for us. Okay, like we are thinking.
Thanks. Definitely. So you will be part of now the journey. Okay. Definitely. Okay. 4 more minutes. Uh, anyone? If not, okay. Yeah. So from Monday, okay. So we are going to start. Okay. First, we'll try to introduce the PostgreSQL. What we are going to talk for next 40 days. Okay. I will discuss all this stuff in the Monday. It's little late for us. Okay. Uh, being we are not in the mood to grab some technical, but definitely on Monday I will try to bring some technical to everyone. Okay. So what we are going to start for next 35 to 45 days, where we are going to spend on completely PostgreSQL, what stuff we are going to learn, what we are getting as part of first batch. Next coming upcoming batch also, we will let us know what we are going to plan. Now, everyone, why we are learning PostgreSQL? That's the one biggest question. This is nothing but one of the world top open source relational database management system, which is widely using, widely growing. Okay, so I in my past experience, okay, one of my team member is very expert in the PostgreSQL. Okay, he's from Canada. Okay, so he's now he placed his own organization, and he prepared a book as well. Okay, luckily we got that one. I will definitely share that information. Okay, now when he's taking interview for PostgreSQL, okay, I'm also part of that project. Okay, we are also I'm also supporting the PostgreSQL, not frequently, but oftenly I will go because whenever there are options, okay, two members, I will be part of that handling the databases. He told that when he's trying to get the candidates from India, okay, uh, the organization is offering almost 50 LK. We are not able to find the right PostgreSQL DBAs. Then I thought, uh, why we can correct everyone. That's a honest feedback I came from one of the expert in the PostgreSQL. Even they are offering for 50 LK, they're not able to find the right PostgreSQL DBA engineer. Why why can't we? Why can't we? We can boost our resumes, boost our profiles, boost our technical stuff. That from that day onwards, I strongly believe we need to bring something. Okay, then finally, today we are going to hear. Okay. So definitely we'll wrap like anything PostgreSQL DBA. So what is the belief you made on me for SQL? Definitely. Okay. Definitely, I will make the standby for PostgreSQL as well. Okay. Initially, I am going to take 30 to 35, 40 days only, but definitely going forward, it will go maybe 2 months, 3 months as well, like how we are training SQL for whole 3 months. Okay. So definitely PostgreSQL will also go for 3 months training. Definitely in going forward, because we'll come up with a lot many advantages of PostgreSQL. We'll talk on the cloud, on top of the cloud platform, Linux platform. We'll bring more on the PostgreSQL as well, so that you can add on your profile. Okay, I'm having two technologies, very strong knowledge. Okay, being you not get chance to work. Okay, I will feel you. We will make you to feel you already having a good knowledge on PostgreSQL in real world as well. How you will feel SQL definitely will make same standby for PostgreSQL as well. That is why we are taking longer time for any technology, and most of the people will wait for longer time because we are not coming every 1 month or every 45 days, every 2 months. we are coming to the market for every 3 months once. Okay, honestly, we are delivering our best. Okay, and we are also giving a great support. That honestly, I'm promising. No one in the I'm not sure. No one in the global will support after your batch is complete. But we are supporting for longer period. So many people are waiting. Many people are uh, following with me for longer time, like since 7 years. Okay, I just not reveal one name. He's the one student, almost 4 to 5 years. Okay, and he's part of this training, but I should not reveal his name. Okay, that's the reason. So many people. So I need to thanks for your great support. And finally, yeah, definitely, we'll go. Let's see how our journey will go for PostgreSQL for next 2025. Along with, we are also bringing other stuff as well. Okay, so I don't want make you repeatedly. Definitely in 2025 will be the game changer for Azure SQL Champ team, whole team. Okay, so if we are posting anything in the community, feel free to join, sir. That's the only one request we are requesting everyone. Okay, so I always told to many people, many batches, only one thing: discussion. Okay, you need to raise your voice in the training. Always you need to raise your voice. It's not like a one man show. It should not be one man show. Okay, always you need to clarify your doubts, whatever it may be. It can be silly, it can be complex, it can be medium. Don't think, just raise your voice. Okay, stop me, raise your voice. Most of the people are doing. That's I need to thanks to everyone. I remember. Okay, lucky who is the one person who will stop me many times. Okay, but someone will think that, okay, I won't lucky. I won't like to talk with Lucky because he will stop me every time and session is going. But I love Lucky lot because that is what we are expecting. If 10 people asking 10 questions, assume 20 people are in the batch, 10 people asking 10 questions, whole 20 people are learning 10 questions. Okay. So like same in PostgreSQL also, I will stress what is your interview questions, what are the things you need to keep in your mind in terms of troubleshooting, in terms of interview cracking, in terms of real world. Okay, maybe initially it will be very hard. The people who are in this completely SQL background, but I'm promising you, I will make so comfortable in the Linux platform as well. Okay, that's what I can say. Nothing apart from. Okay, I don't want to take more time today. Okay, anything wanted to add, Sai? I don't want to say thanks to Sai, okay, but I don't want to say thanks to Sai, especially because many people won't directly reach out to me. So he will reach out to one and only one, my brother, Sai. Okay, that's the reason I put him. His number is the first, always. Okay, uh, long journey, almost five. It's with me 4 to 5 years, Sai, but with my family, almost 7 to 8 years. He's
Oh,
not a
it's 12 years.
12 years. Okay, okay, it's great. Now I need to. Everyone need to encourage Sai as well. So from tomorrow morning, okay, he is going to be taking care of the L1 part of SQL. Okay, I requested him long back. 3 years I'm requesting. That's the reason your PostgreSQL has been also delayed. Now finally he accepted me, and tomorrow onwards he's going to start his new journey on SQL Server L1, not L1, L1, L2 he's going to train. Okay, L3 level I used to take care everything. Okay, definitely. We always welcome to always encourage everyone, and yeah, that's it. Anything you want to do, say, Sai, and we will tell finally happy weekend.
Yeah, that's it. Almost we covered everything. If anyone, do you have any other questions? You can raise.
Sai, Postgres sessions will be in the evening only, this time
Yes,
Yes,
only.
yeah,
yes, in the
completely.
evening.
Nine
That's
to I
10.
won't take more time. So 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour max 1 hour 15 minutes. 15 minutes I will give you the question and answers, okay? Because this is the new technology, right? Okay, I don't want over stress you lot. Okay, let's slowly we'll go, but in-depth concept wise will take. I will take one concept. I will drive everything for one half an 20 to 25 minutes theoretical, and rest everything will go for practical. And I will take your questionnaires. Next day we'll try to answer all the stuff. Okay, that's one thing. Okay, going forward we'll come into the morning as well, but as of now we are planning on the evening because it should not disturb the cycle of SQL. So SQL is going on the morning and the PostgreSQL will go on the evening. Maybe if you are coming other, we will plan. That's the reason we started 2 weeks before the SQL at 9 o'clock. Okay, almost I felt all the attendance is also good for SQL for last 2 weeks. Okay, I felt okay, this is the good time as well. Okay, in case if someone is having some time constraint, don't hesitate to reach out to Sai. Okay, we'll sort it out.
Okay. Yep, that's it for today. Thanks everyone once again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we
Thanks
have
so
class
much.
on Monday 9 p.m. right?
Yes. So
Yes.
we are going to first introduce what is the PostgreSQL. Okay, maybe first 1 or 2 days I may call SQL sometimes. Okay, don't misunderstand me. Okay, because it's a journey almost 9+ years. I've been training the SQL. I love SQL like anything, Microsoft product like anything. Okay, being I just starting a new technology. Sometimes I may tell okay SQL Server. Okay, please. Okay, just I need to digest. Okay, I am also trying the PostgreSQL. Okay, 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 to 3 days. Definitely, I may talk SQL. Okay, uh, that's only one request to everyone. Okay, thanks for your all support, great support for years. Okay, and happy weekend. See you on Monday. So, what we are going to discuss, we will intro the PostgreSQL completely on Monday. From Monday onwards, we'll start the regularly. First 1 week, it will go little slow because two massive vacations are there. One is Christmas, one is the New Year celebrations. Okay. Uh, Meanwhile, I will talk a little about the PostgreSQL, how to install a basic PostgreSQL, how to access the PostgreSQL, how the see we know SSMS, we love SSMS lot, how the PG admin 4 will work. Okay, let's talk that stuff. I don't want go too much technical stuff in the first 1 week. Later on, I will start digging the PostgreSQL. Once you are oh, okay. We entered in 2025. New Year is done. Okay. Then I will start in depth. Okay. We'll go concept wise and we'll start digging what we will see in the PostgreSQL, how to access, what is the PG admin, what is SSMS, how SSMS is, how PG admin looks like, what we can do similar, like in SSMS, what we can do in PG admin, what we can do, so that easily you can compare. Okay, we already completed SQL, so I won't talk more on the SQL. Like today, I'm just opening SSMS PG admin. In future, we will stick with the PG admin itself. Okay, so we wanted to know PG admin lot. How you know about SSMS? Okay, how you know about Azure Data Studio? Now we will become stronger in the PG admin as well. Like is a tool where we will connect to the PostgreSQL. Like for MySQL, we will use the Workbench. For Oracle, we'll use the Toad. We will use the SQL Plus. We'll use the Putty. For PostgreSQL, we use the PG admin. It's very simple, not that much complicated. But maybe you may feel the terminologies are little different. Okay, what we will call in SQL, what we will call in PostgreSQL. Little here and there, the terminologies will different, but the concept wise, we will discuss. Yep. Have a great weekend. Please be so safe. Okay. See you on the Monday.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy weekend, everyone.
Happy weekend. Yeah.
Thank you, Subbu. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you all.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
yeah,
Bye, Subbu.
yeah. Bye.